Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we discuss about online marketing degree in California. And when we search about online marketing degree in California, online marketing, marketing, marketing degree in California, California. When we searched about online marketing degree in California, we saw many kind of website named as WDG, WGU.edu, info.edu.gla.ac.uk, online.ua.edu, and California best marketing degree programs and college. We saw this website Franklin University named as. We clicked on this. When we clicked on this, we saw this type of interface like franklin.edu. When we search about franklin.edu, and 2020, 2023 best online marketing degrees colleges in California. Are you looking for a school in California where you can earn online marketing degrees? Start your site. The best online marketing colleges and university in California here. The best adult colleges and careers guide makes to it easy to find information about a school offering online marketing degree programs in California. Get detailed information about college and university with 100% online marketing programs, including the number of distance offered, marketing degree, complaint, student type, and more. In the end, you will have an understanding of which college and university may be right for you. California online marketing degrees by the number. Online marketing degrees in California have been growing at institution over the past 5 years. In 2021, student completed 187 marketing related degree programs that were offered 100% online by California colleges and universities. That was an increase of 11% from completions reported in 2017. Estimated school with destined education completion 6, total completion 21 187, and this type of graph. And when we read about top online college for busy adults and transfer students, Franklin University is a top choice for online learner, transfer student, and adult who need to balance school with busy lives. Founded in 1902, Franklin main focus on has been serving adult students to training education to fit their needs. Non-profit and regionally exerted by the Higher Learning Commission, Franklin offer more than 50 affordable bachelor, master, and degree programs, all available on 100% online. And this type visit website, adult students, undergraduate course credit hour $398. Best non-profit college offering online marketing degree in California. There are at least 5 for non-profit year students serving California where student completing 169 distance education marketing programs in 2021. In 2021, of those schools were private non-profit institutions, zero were public school. Browse through the listing below to learn more about each of the non-profit colleges offering online marketing programs in California. Tuition shown reflect in state rates. And you Franklin University, Santa Clara University, California, Baptistic University, Francisco Pacific University, Golden University, for-profit online marketing colleges in Corfalia, California. Get a list of four-year profit online colleges and universities offering marketing degree programs in California. According to 2021 data from the U.S. Department of Education College um, scorecard, there were four profit 4-year schools in California where students completed 81 distant education programs. And when we go on any other website, best marketing degree course, when we clicked on and we saw this type of interface, like loading website, load this website, and we saw this kind of interface. If you clicked on bestmarketingdegrees.org, online marketing education opportunities in California. California is the home of the sixth largest economy in the world. It also hosts one of the largest labor market in the United States, supporting almost 1.5 million business and 17 million employees to 2016, with growth of annual wages totaling more than 2050 to $50 million. And with the nine school offering at least one online marketing degree throughout the state, California hosts some of the best online learning opportunities for marketing in the western half of the United States due to the over increasing size of the marketing infrastructure. In almost every industry, governmental body earning a degree from a top tier California university goes a long way toward establishing one credential as a professional marketer in field like business administration, business psychology, communication, and public research. I hope so you learn about this video, and I hope so you understand about online digital marketing in California. So thank you for watching our video. We will be back in next video.